Customers often ask, how much steam does a 10-ton boiler produce per hour? I reply, 10 tons per hour, exactly as designed. Some suppliers mislead. A 10-ton boiler with 80% efficiency only produces 8 tons of steam per hour. In fact, many Chinese suppliers explain it this way to customers. The purpose of this video is to explain the difference between boiler capacity and efficiency. Steam capacity, the amount of saturated or superheated steam a boiler generates per hour under design conditions. Capacity is determined by mechanical and thermal design, heat transfer area, feed water flow, and burner capacity. Example, a 10-ton boiler per hour means 10,000 kilograms of steam per hour under design conditions. Boiler efficiency, the percentage of the heat energy in the steam produced compared to the heat input from the fuel. The unit of efficiency is percent, indicating the level of fuel energy utilization. High efficiency means less heat loss and fuel savings. Example, 80% efficiency means 80% of the fuel energy becomes steam, 20% is lost through flue gas and radiation. Note, efficiency only affects fuel consumption, not the design steam capacity. So why does this misleading explanation exist? When accepting a boiler, customers usually require 3 basic conditions. Condition 1, prove the capacity matches the contract. Measure steam flow per hour with a flow meter. Condition 2, prove fuel consumption matches the contract. Weigh the fuel to measure actual consumption. Condition 3, prove that boiler emissions meet environmental standards, verified by an independent third party. Some suppliers bypass by claiming a 10-ton boiler with 80% efficiency only needs to prove 8 tons. Adding a tolerance of plus or minus 10 to 15%, only about 7 tons per hour needs to be proven. Consequence, selling a 7-ton boiler at the price of a 10-ton boiler. Many suppliers use this method to reduce costs and increase competitiveness. Surely you can already imagine the consequences. Let me list a few specific ones. First, you pay for a 10-ton boiler, but in reality, it only delivers 7 to 8 tons of steam per hour. Would you be satisfied with that? Second, your production line requires 10 tons of steam per hour, but the boiler provides only 7 to 8. How can the machines operate properly? Many factories have faced steam shortages because of this issue. Over time, the boiler degrades and its capacity continues to drop. At first, it may still meet demand, but gradually, steam output becomes insufficient. I would like to reaffirm my argument. A 5-ton forklift must lift 5 tons. Efficiency cannot be used as an excuse. A 10-ton boiler equals 10 tons of steam per hour. This is inviolable. If you purchase a boiler from DIVI, we guarantee to demonstrate these 3 points clearly to you. First, sufficient steam capacity. 10 tons means 10 tons, 15 tons means 15 tons. Second, accurate fuel consumption. Third, compliance with environmental standards, verified by an independent third party designated by the customer. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel to support DIVI. Thank you very much.